Itu bro, bismillah. Thank you, Cindy's mom. Okay. Introduce you guys to my new friend.
That is literally the first thing I saw when I got into this car.
Okay, first trip, first stop, Samara. What the fuck? I just realized. Why did you do that? It is raining. Thank you. First hour. You hear the bell? That's area 86. Oh man, oh my god.
Oh my god!
Thank you. Highway exchange.
But I've got no plans to just sit it out, sweat it out.
My favorite thing, please. I'm solo.
We're about to make a video of exiting the most epic place in this is our review. We're exiting the place, that's all. So, Samarang, we're done! Just like for 10 minutes inside. We took a video shoot. So, if you see our video shoot inside Lawang Sewu, that means we're not paying anything. We don't pay anything. We only pay entrance, that's all. So, do what we do, be part of the Ninja Clan.
Get in, get out.
Get in and get out. Straight. We got TikTok video too. Watch it. Solo, first touchdown. Solo.
Second.
Second touchdown. First touchdown in Solo, and second touchdown in Java Island.
Welcome to Solo.
Yes.
Ini perjalanan berapa jam?
Dari kita berapa ya? Dari jam
Berapa jam, berapa?
6 pagi.
Oh, jam 6?
Bukan. Dari jam after. We almost left at like 7.
Iya, jam 7 kurang lah.
Terus masuk Semarang jam berapa?
1 ya?
Setengah 2. Setengah 2.
Iya.
Nanti kita makan yang sangat
Paling
ciri khasnya
spesial.
Solo. Nanti kita ya. McD.
Udah kena hati.
McD. Yes, dia studio. Yes, studio.
This is in Jakarta? Oh, this is down in Jakarta. Really?
It's okay lah.
I'm not being serious. I'm not being serious. I'm just bullying you because you're the one bullying me.
USDS. Terima kasih USDS.
Kita makan khasnya Solo. Dulu ya?
Ya, coba dulu.
Elly pakai apa?
Buat telur kayak impos Nasi apa? Liwet. Nasi liwet.
One of the epic things. Crazy. We're crossing over Solo Road. Ada yang tagihan habis kerap.
Oh, Wes lali.
No, I said, but we look like twins. So.
Ikutin. Follow. And then hitung. 1, 2, 3.
Sangat receh.
Sangat receh. Iya, karena
Is it just me or they are saying New York?
Yeah, they keep saying.
Oh, sweet.
One more day. Next 2 days, it's like bum.
Oh, yeah.
More for 2 nights. This is the perfect place to take the video with the police in the background.